Hello, this is a Clever Van Celebration 600 camper van, 6 meters long. It costs around 66,000 euros, and let's have a look inside. So first thing is, looking at it, what strikes my eye: automotive seats here, which can be separated, so if you don't want to sit too close to the person you're sitting next to. Very attractive indirect lighting. We've got a skylight up there. We've got an extension to the kitchen block here, with drawers. Oh wow, I've just been in another van. I couldn't even pull the things out. But look, the drawers are proper drawers with proper sides. I mean, that to me is really, that's important, because things sort of fall down between the holes when they put holes in them or gaps in them. Really large shower. Look at this, it's enormous, this, for a 6 meter vehicle. Fixed sink. I'm going to come in the shower so you can see me in the shower. Got a lot of requests to see me in the shower. It's got a sensible sliding door on this side. And it's a sensible sliding door. There you go, sensible sliding door. Space for your soaps or whatever. And up here you'll find more storage possibilities as well. So I quite like that one. Maybe I'd have liked this to be a bit higher, but can't have everything, I suppose. On the other side we've got a rather large Vitrifrigo fridge. It is a fridge which works off the 12-volt supply, so we're going to have to hope there's a decent battery to go with it. We've got a wardrobe of sorts here. Shelves, you might want to take them out or you might want to leave them in, and similar below. There we've got a step up to the bed. It's not really necessary in my case, I can easily get in from here. And there's the bed with space to sort of sit up in bed in. And note, lights on either side. Storage there. Now, I didn't think much of Clever Vans at one stage, but I think I really like this. I like these things built there, a bit of storage there. There you have, instead of putting a daft ledge in, they put something really sensible. A soft place to keep your glasses case, your whatever, your hearing aid and other things like that can go in there very, very easily. That's so good. This is, in my opinion, a very innovative sleeping area in the back of a 6 meter Fiat Ducato camper van. Whether or not it's a Fiat Ducato or not is irrelevant to the point of this discussion. That is very, very nice. Indeed, I'm quite impressed by this all the way around. Very, very attractive looking vehicle. Now, I call it the Fiat Ducato camper van because Fiat Ducato started them. This is a Citroen, and sometimes the Fiat Ducato camper van I refer to as a Fiat Ducato may indeed be a Peugeot. If I say it's a Citroen base and it's a Fiat Ducato camper van, I hope you will understand what I'm actually referring to. Anyway, right, so I've got somebody outside cleaning up. There was a party on here last night. The food was absolutely brilliant, and even though I didn't get invited, I turned up anyway. Let's have a look in the back. See if we can get past this gentleman here. Yeah, I'll make the effort, and so there you go. Huge area here for storage. There you can find space for 2 gas cylinders. Even it's aesthetically pleasing, the gas cabinet. There is this innovative rear sleeping area, very nicely done. Obviously all this will come up, as it will do on any vehicle. You've got a window in there which you can open. Right, I'll take you around the other way. You can see some more of these Clever Vans. And there you go. There is this Clever Vans on the Citroen. Very attractive vehicle. Celebration 600. and I can recall in the past I've said things about it suggesting there was nothing to celebrate about it, but well, now I've changed my mind. Thanks for watching.